Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2009. So we are here with this problem 11 of your paper. This problem is a vector calculus problem. So let us firstly read this problem. Let txy is equal to, so we have a scalar function. Okay. So be the temperature at the point xyz. So it represents temperature at this point xyz, right? The unit vector in the direction in which the temperature decreases most rapidly at 1 0 minus 1 is. So here are your four options. So what you have to determine here, you have to determine the unit vector in the direction of which we will get the temperature decreased most. Okay, so we need a direction in which temperature decreases rapidly, and at this point we have to do that thing, right? So now let us proceed. Okay, so what is given to us is a scalar function t, which a three variable function and defined like this: xy square plus 2z minus what is it, x square, right? X square z square. So this is your problem. So I will tell you a note, okay, and that note will be very helpful regarding this question. What it is, it simply says that if phi of xyz, phi, or you can say phi also, phi of xyz is a scalar function, then it changes most rapidly in the direction of del of phi. Okay, so okay, I should write modulus. Okay, modulus I will not write, but I will directly write this thing. So suppose phi is a scalar function, then what this note actually suggests us that it will changes most rapidly in this direction. Suppose you want a positive change, that means you want an increment, then you will consider this del phi. Otherwise what you will do, you will consider minus outside of it. Are you getting my point or not? So right now what you need the direction in which the temperature decreases most rapidly. So from this note we can say that temperature will change most rapidly in this direction, in the direction of del T. Okay, that is grad T. But since it question is demanding us about the decrease thing, so I have to put minus before it. Okay, so from this note it is very clear that temperature decreases most rapidly in the direction of this grad. Okay, I would say del or grad del T, and I will use a negative symbol over it. Okay, so firstly let us determine what is del T. So del T is actually del by del x, comma del by del y, comma del by del z. That you know. Okay, I hope you already know this thing. Now what you have, xy square plus 2z minus x square z square. This is what you have. So if you will partially differentiate this thing with respect to x, what you will get, I think y square minus 2xz square, comma, okay, you can write ijk also. Okay, so let me write ijk here, plus when you will differentiate with respect to y, you will get this thing. Okay, and when you will differentiate it with respect to z, you will get 2 minus 2x square z. So this is what you will get. This is k cap, right? So this is the direction in which it will changes most rapidly. Now I have to obtain this at certain point, and what is that point? 1 0 minus 1 is that point. So just place y0 x1 and z minus 1. So if you will place y0 x1 and z minus 1, you will get minus 2i, this thing will be 0, and I think here you will get 4, okay, plus 4k cap. Now since you are talking about the decrease thing, so it will decreases most rapidly in the direction of minus del t, so which is 2i minus 4j. Now the question is demanding us the unit vector, it's not demanding this vector. So you have to find out unit vector in the direction of del t. So it's very simple, you have to divide just it by its magnitude. So if you will divide it by its magnitude, what you will get? You will get 4 plus 16, that's 20. So 20, if you will take 4 out of common of it, you will get I minus 2j over I think root 5, and here you will also get root 5. That means your B option is correct, right? So where should I write? Okay, so B is correct. A, C, I'd say D. These are the incorrect options, right? So now just change the color and mark it. Incorrect, correct, incorrect, incorrect. Okay, so thank you.